In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to color code a calendar in Notion, enhancing your productivity and visual organization in just a few simple steps. Let's get started by opening Notion. If you haven't opened it yet, go ahead and launch the application. If you're new to Notion, it's a powerful tool that acts like an all-in-one workspace, helping you organize notes, tasks, and projects. It's especially useful for those who thrive in a structured environment. Now, once you have Notion up and running, navigate to the existing page where you want to implement the color-coded calendar. This could be a space dedicated to a project, a personal agenda, or any page where you feel a calendar would be beneficial. Once on the desired page, locate the settings icon positioned at the top right corner of the interface. This icon is your go-to for making numerous adjustments to your page setup. With a click on this settings icon, you open up a menu that reveals many options. From these options, you'll need to switch your page's view to a calendar. This is essential as our goal today is creating a visually accessible and color-rich calendar interface. Now we want to add a property that will control how colors are applied to different calendar entries. Think of this property as a label or a tag for each entry, something that you can assign a unique color to. This might be a status like urgent or completed, or it could be categories like work or personal. By integrating such properties, you're essentially creating a visual map of your tasks or events, making it easier to comprehend and prioritize at a glance. With properties set, it's time to choose the colors. Consider colors that resonate with you personally, and remember that the same colors can trigger different associations for different people. You might opt for green to signal something completed or red for tasks that demand immediate attention. Explore the palette and make selections that are intuitive and instinctive for you. After organizing your tags or properties with colors, revisit the settings at the top right corner one more time. From there, direct your attention to an option labeled Color Conditioning. This feature is your secret weapon for transforming your calendar view into a lively, engaging timetable. Select Color Conditioning and then proceed to choose which property you want to assign colors to each part of the calendar. Taking this final step ensures that your calendar isn't just a blank slate, it's a dynamic hub of color-coded information that can quite literally brighten your day. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've transformed a simple calendar into a powerful visual tool using Notion. You'll find that color coding not only helps with clarity, but can also significantly boost your efficiency. Remember, the key is to remain consistent with your color choices so that your brain quickly adapts to their meanings. Happy organizing, and may your new, colorful calendar guide you to stress-free productivity.